All right, welcome back everybody. Let's check this out. Today we're gonna do a gaiter. It's a half gaiter right here from Silky socks. It's an extra large, the half gaiter, and we're gonna use the cardboard mock-up right here. No metal or cardboard, actually just a post office cardboard box. Let's check it out. Let's get it mocked up. All right, here we go. It's all mocked up. And I'll be putting up Montecristo cigar wrapper on this one right here. All stretched up. Look at that. You can see all the lettering. But we'll get it all set up. Get this going. And here we go. We got the Montecristo. We'll post it up right here. And here we go. I get the press at 3. Put it at 385. 50 seconds, and this is on the Heat Press Nation's signature series, and they usually come out fine like that. And here's one side done, and I'm gonna flip it and do the other side. And look at this right here, final result. Can't get better than that. It looks better than the video does right here in person. So there's the seams, perfect seam right there, look at that. Back of it. Now of course you're gonna get the inside that's white. It's breathable, good quality mask. Or gaiter, half gaiter, whatever you wanna call it. Look at that. Looks amazing and it's well done. Alright, subscribe, like, share, comment, and hope to see you guys here soon. I'll be doing some other fun stuff soon. Alright, you guys. Have a good one.